We're on 80 East, turning into Dalton Lane, which is the site of the Ortona South Campground. And if anybody ever tells you you're full of bull, check this out. This is one whopper of a bull. And he didn't look none too happy neither. Hey Crystal, if Donna was here, you think she could call this bull?
No, it's a bull, not a cow.
So they don't respond to kibos?
No.
All right, we're gonna test that theory.
Daddy, what?
He's over here, and he's a big one. Kibos? Hey, boss. Kibos? Hey, boss. Nope. Not interested. And I'm glad of it. Because he's sure watching. What are you doing? You're a little bull. Okay. That's an old wives' tale. Kibos don't work.
Not for them kind of cows. They work for milk cows.
Milk cows. Okay then.
That's how my dad used to call his milk cows.
See, you learn something new every day. Kibos is not the key word for bulls.
No, that's Toro.
El Toro. I still don't think he was a very nice bull. He was watching me the whole time.
Well, he didn't know we were
Yeah, they're building some kind of a water reclamation plant or something here. Got the road a little muddy from the dump trucks riding back and forth. You gotta watch out for loose gravel too. Unless you want to have a skinned up kneecap. Hey, what's that bird? What's that bird?
That is, there's another one right there. It's got a big chick.
Oh yes it does. I'll be darned. Oh yeah, there they are.
That's Mama and the baby and the daddy's over there.
The little fuzzy one. Looks like a chick.
He's a chick.
Okay. Back to the campground cruise. The campground is at the end of the road. gravel caused by the dump trucks. Couple more birds.
Must be visiting me now.
There's our campground. You can stay here 2 weeks for $210. With a lifetime pass. Yep, and that means you saved $210. Okay. When you first pull in, you've got your dump station. That's where you do your duty. No fireworks. It's hot down here, but if you keep it moving, it's not too bad. Just like fishing. If you keep it moving, it's not too bad. Now we seen a mink over here. And we went across to the Lockett Dam. A mink, an otter. We seen an otter. They're so funny looking. Maybe we'll catch him later. Bird, 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 bird is the word. There's the lock. Yeah, he was. I don't know. sight. Yeah, and that pull through, you want the back one, because the front dips down so far. Ew! This one's okay. Hell, they're all pull-throughs. This is a good one, 44. Big one. You wouldn't have no problem with that one. Howdy. That one's cool too. 47 handicap though. Is it? That's probably why they don't want you on it. This one is?
Look at how short the concrete is. There's only two.
It's nice though.
See how short it is? It's heavy.
Yeah. How many does ours have?
4 in blacktop. Like that one. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's either cement or slabs.
Okay.
I'm gonna put my bike over here.
Oh, you don't want to put up?
I don't know. Are you putting them up?
I was gonna. Well, I was out, but I don't have to.
No, we can. I didn't know what you were doing.
Well, I gotta end my movie.